What is going on, guys? Today's video we have a MacBook Pro. The new MacBook Air was actually announced, as well as a 13-inch MacBook Pro with the M2 model chip came out. I thought it was a pretty good idea to be unboxing this, as well as, doing a comparison of both of those in the future. So let's just get straight into it. This is the 14-inch 10-core CPU, 24-core GPU, 32 gigs RAM, 512 gigs of SSD storage, and this is the Max version. Let's go ahead and unbox it. That pull tab was pretty awful, but it's fine. Let's go check it out. All right, so we have the MacBook right here. This is thick. To the side, right here, the MacBook itself. This is a very hefty product. Wow, look at that. Look at that bad boy. Freaking clean, way too clean. Look at that. 2 Thunderbolt ports, MagSafe, aux port, SD card, HDMI, and another Thunderbolt port. This is just an amazing, powerful beast. And then right here we also do have a USB Type-C to MagSafe charging cable, which we'll get into right now. As you can see, and this does just fit in very simple. That's a very nice connection. Oh, it's strong. That's a strong connection. So it connects really easily and it's very strong. And then right here we do have your Designed by Apple in California pamphlet. Looks like we do have Apple stickers. Oh, they're black Apple stickers. That's unique. You just have all the information. This does have an HD FaceTime camera, menu bar, etc. Very nice. Oh, it does come with a adapter as well. Right here. I haven't had one of these in so long, or I haven't seen one of these in so long. This is not even my MacBook. I'm gonna be honest with you. I believe this is removable. Wow, that just interchangeable, very smart for other European versions or whatever. USB Type-C input. So you got that right there. Put everything back. Let's check out this MacBook. Let's have it boot up for the first time. See if we can do this with one hand. Oh my god, bro, those speakers sound so good. That is clean. That is way too clean. Just look at that. That screen is so good. And it feels really good too. So the keyboard as is, you have the power button and Touch ID right here on top. That's clean. I might actually get, what?
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
That is so good. The speaker is like so clean. It's not even that heavy of a computer, but it's insane. Like, look how thin that is. So I'm pretty sure you've seen many MacBook Pro unboxings, but we're gonna go to do a comparison of this in the future. So stay tuned for that. I just want to do a quick and simple unboxing. We're gonna see how blazing fast this is. I'll give you a 1-month review. By the time the MacBook Air comes out, I'll be having more experience with this one, and then you'll be able to have that little comparison. But that little Apple ecosystem is just, it's very good, it's helpful, and definitely worth it.